We are in Hilliard, Ohio. Just snowed all night. This guy wants out. Got a ton of snow. About probably 10 to 11 inches right now. I mean, I'm into my snowboarding gear, so you can stay warm if you have this shit on, but I mean, look at that shit. It's awesome. Mac, you better get inside. My dog can't even run through it. Come on, buddy. Come on. That's my dude Mac on the SRT. This is my truck. Fucking, excuse my language. Snow filled up my tailgate, like covering the tires. Not sure how anyone's gonna get anywhere. I was supposed to go snowboarding today, and unfortunately I can't make it. Hell yeah.